One, two, 1, 2. Let's see if everything is all right. One, two, 1, 2. Good morning, everybody. Let's see if everything is working all right. Okay. Yeah. Seems like everything is up now and it's working. Good morning, Alex. Hello. Hello. Let's see. Bitcoin. Yeah, no sweep of any kind on Monday range. Quite a big candle on Monday. Clear liquidity range here. Let's see further. No, thank you. Yes, no. Uh, Fuck me. Sorry, guys. Okay. I'm logged on trade of it on this one. Sorry. It automatically loads me. That's why. Okay. There we go. I wanted to see Ethereum. So Ethereum swept Monday low, guys. I saw it's way weaker, but I don't know if there is to reward right now. It's worth it. Hello, Yopung. Hey, Kuchar. Would have been nice to have something like this. 6 hour. Maybe we get another sweep. But Ethereum is way weaker. Taking value area low as resistance. Don't don't like it that much. Let's see 1 hour because I can't do anything on storage. This is a setup I posted some while ago on VIP, I think. I barely hit a profit right now. Big range. I think we need 4 hours to have this one visible. Nice one. Man, UTX. That's why you don't want to close it too early. Good morning, guys. Had a long on this one. Man, it went 20 hour. Yesterday manipulation was quite nice, but so I was expecting a dump because I had some stinky bits on VIP, but man, I didn't expect it to go that low. I took 2 stop losses, then one was stopped in profits. This one had a stop loss, yeah, here. Motherfuckers. I mean, okay, these lows I would have expected to be taken, but this one, it was a bit too aggressive. Now it depends on each altcoin. That Monday shakeout lately, it's like a signature move on crypto space. Yeah, I think that was the play on most of them. You can see stinky bits on SFU level. That was a fucking play. Yeah, it confirmed 3 bar factor top. Yeah, with nice indecision candle, SFU. Man, this is nice. High time frame is looking textbook beautiful. Up to everyone. If you want to hedge your portfolio, this is the right time, guys. I don't know if it will go 61 point in candle body low for trade location maybe, but I don't think so. I would take 61.8 from this candle or this candle. Something like that already in. Yeah. I mean, it's at entry here if you want to take the entry. Or either you take that one or here. Up to you, but quite a good risk to reward. Yeah. I don't know, too many people are bullish. Everyone is bullish. Um, Absolutely everyone is bullish from crypto space. It's absolutely insane. Even I don't know, the Uber driver is bullish on Bitcoin. Is the bull market here? I don't know. Maybe I'm a little bit too concerned about everyone being bullish, but I don't know. In the past, didn't play too well when everyone was bullish. Yeah, seems like Ethereum does a Dalai Lama, guys. You can take this W here. It swept Monday low. Let's see. Maybe I'll take this one. Low risk, 0.25. Because if this one hits take profit, I'll make a 1%. If value area low is reclaimed, then it most likely go for value area high. So 1.25 R, why not? Feels like chasing here on altcoins. I don't know. Spot portfolio is looking insanely good for me. Insanely good. And I don't know how it's anyone else, but I followed what Paul teach me last. And I remember I was buying like crazy here. November 2022, buying. January buying. I was just buying every dip I was buying. And I didn't bought Bitcoin necessarily. I'm in shitcoins. My portfolio is shitcoins mostly. That's my plan. All in altcoins. I didn't expect it to boom like that for real. Duration of what bull? Because I don't think that we are in a bull market yet. Maybe we entered, but yeah, I don't know. To keep it simple, short reload zone, long reload zone. Definitely I'll buy the next dip. Either if we go here, either if we go somewhere here, I'm happy. I'm definitely happy. But I speak about low time frame like scalping and stuff like that. Let's see if we get the Dalai Lama. Berchen Dalai Lama. This is an inside joke, not a good one. Lama means knife here in Romania. Ape reach 1.6, man. Paul, you remember? You remember one back level? When you're shouting, buy, 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 buy. The $1 level. I bought here most of my ape that I intend to keep for the bull market. I'll sell short. I'll sell half on a double for sure because I have a bigger than 1% bag, and that's what I mostly do with medium conviction um, projects that I buy more than 1%. For example, I have high conviction, like high probability from people that I really trust. Yeah, I don't know if it's the word trust, but they are putting a lot of effort into uh, analyzing those coins. Really nice LJ here. Wasn't actually lower or low. Wait, I'm watching daily. What the hell? I want 1 hour. Oh, this week to the downside is creating some issues to me. And don't die. This is what I was hunting yesterday, this coin. The S&R is here. So it should pump. We need an LJ, something, a W. Let's keep an eye on this one. We need something. Something. But still the risk to reward ratio is good. Also this consolidation, the large ass consolidation. Let's keep an eye on this one. No, 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 no. Equal lows? Yeah. Oh, okay. Now I saw. Okay. Not good. So either it's an SFU. I don't know how many times Bitcoin dominance did SFU. Bitcoin dominance is not an SFU kind of chart, as from what I remember and from what I see. So it's not the type of pattern that Bitcoin dominance is doing. What I saw it does actually, it's reclaiming the level and then taking it as support, something like this. Then it's Wing out and boom, higher. Bitcoin dominance is really respecting these W's like crazy. You can see again W, retest, boom. W, retest, boom. W. Yeah. Still uppy. Still uppy. Then it didn't reach to, so this is the first area of S&R. 'S&R. 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 ' This would be the next one. Yeah, so it can easily pump. No, 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 no. I am enjoying Carol. I really enjoyed it, especially swing trading and those nice 10 hours, a lot of them. I'm mostly enjoying those spots to see the results because my spot went crazy. As I said, I'm only altcoins. I have altcoins that made 10x, which I didn't expected that soon. I was expecting in 1, 2 years maybe, but not in less than 8 months. No Dalai Lama. We have an FEG here. It's just 0.25 just for the sake of Dalai Lama. But with that Bitcoin dominance, you want Bitcoin, you want Dalai Lama on Bitcoin, not on, um, not on Ethereum. I saw a good, yeah, you guys are speaking about it a lot. Um, I'll definitely buy it, Carol, and not just for, yeah, I'll sell half on a double. I always do that, but I want to get a bag for bull market. Man, yeah, yeah, Elvis. Right now I got a bag on Chang or CHNG. I bought really early and Rio, same. Rio, Tao and Chang. These ones are a little bit higher conviction for me from what I did on my TA. And I managed to buy quite some, yeah, around this area on CHNG. Tao, everyone knows Tao, I think. This one went crazy, absolutely crazy. I managed to buy at 90, 87, somewhere here. I I wasn't around this area, sadly. I know you were in Rio, and Rio, yeah, Rio and Tao. These ones are pretty high conviction. I like them. I managed to buy Rio around here, and not to speak about Naka. I don't know, 35x, insane, insane. Naka, this is one of my. I bought it around here. It's already 15x, something like that. Absolutely insane. This is gaming, from what I know. I'm not selling it. I mean, I'm selling just one shot. Uh, this is my plan. Why I'm selling just one shot? Because, um, oh man. So I'm selling just one shot because I want those coins for the bull market. I don't want to. Um, I mean, I just want to accumulate coins. That's my plan. That's why what I learned, and that's what I want to do. Accumulate coins. Man, it's looking insane here. Definitely, this one can easily go to 2.7. Yeah, easily, easily. You sold Naka at 1.8. Yeah, I sold some Naka here too because I bought more than 2% I bought on this one. Thanks also Beam. I did an instant double on this one. Thank you, Carol. I bought here at 5 and went to 33. And this one did 5x. Insane. And now I'm quite pumped on Kuji. I didn't manage to buy exactly around here. I got around here on Kuji. I had orders at this W. I'm not fully filled, but maybe we will get a retest at some point, so don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Wow, really nice picture. Yeah, I don't know. I love shitcoins. This is a statement, pretty weird one now. And not to mention about CAS. I mean, this one was my biggest bag on KuCoin. I bought here and made 5x here. Yeah, yeah. I know you told me that that's how it's made. Just rotate. I saw Trias is pretty hyped. Not looking bad. Yeah, I posted some charts. If you on premium, I posted mostly. Posted about 15-20 charts. I don't know if anyone took the time to add this one to S fund. Look at this one. TRB. Where's the TRB? We have a setup on TRB, if I'm not mistaken, that you mentioned. It's looking very good on 4 hours. It was looking very good on 4 hours. Let's see one day. Man, one day it's up, up, up. So we have support here. And here. And here, but it lost it. You can see resistance, resistance, support. Was support, but now we transformed it into resistance. This FEG should react as support here. Daily FEG. Let's see a fib. That would 61.8 would take us right there. So yeah. Also, it looks like one's a little bit lower. So yeah, I can see it going 15% lower here. Range. This is a clear range game. Range, next range. Same here. Try to reclaim. Failed. How do we know it failed? Well, look at the pattern. Breakdown, retest. Yeah. And then expansive movement to the downside. And also, I absolutely love this setup. It's what I use a lot on traditional markets. When you have a sweep of liquidity into a draw of 8-hour or 4-hour FEG, you don't have an FEG to do this week. We have a breaker here, but we get a point. So I think it will have a 68 level, and then maybe back to 84. 0.5 of the whole range. Yeah, fib is helping, but structure is more important, because if you don't have structure at the fib levels, it's unlikely probable to hold. We have some support here though, indeed. It depends a lot on this 4-hour candle, because if this 4-hour candle it's not holding this level, so if you want an internal liquidity range here, going on 1 hour, if I would like to play along here, I would like to see an SFU of this equal lows. We have 3 equal lows, 1, 2, 3 equal lows. Sweep of these equal lows, reclaim back in the range, value area low, and then target the highs. So yeah, I would like this one for setup a lot here. Definitely on 1 hour. I didn't use the time frame. Sorry, Ciprian. But yeah, 1 hour is looking like internal liquidity range. Easily sweep of these 3 equal lows. I can see that happening. Maybe we get some reclaim after the SFU, and then a violent move to the upside. Yeah, that can easily happen. I'll actually put some alarms. Clear internal liquidity range here. Poke reacted real nicely for more than 4 hours, even here. Value area high reacted real nice, low, sorry. My 0.25 risk Dalai Lama, it's failing. Let's see some Monday range play on daily, on altcoins. Let me get out the indicator. No, no. Let's look at the weak ones actually. No, no. Actually, no. I want to see a Monday low with a daily fair value gap right at the sweep level. Ooh, this looks toppy. What is this, Fed? This looks like distribution Wyckoff. Yeah, and it fired. I don't want to short altcoins though, but it looks like a distribution Wyckoff. No, no. Nice. Daily Monday range. Swept liquidity there. Another range here. Yeah, not a complete one. Yeah, exactly, Paul. But might be. Yeah, it's in the middle, exactly. But I mean, a distribution on 12 hours, on 4 hour, that's a big stuff. That's a big thing. Because it means, yeah, we need another spike to the upside. Um, Usually, the higher the time frame, the more aggressive this stuff are going to happen. People are just redistributing the profits here. That's what's happening. Taking profits and stuff like that. Range here on Wu. TRB. Okay. Actually, TRB can sweep Monday low and then reclaim. Even Monday low play can be a good play on TRB. We'll see. I have my alarm there. Iffy, iffy. This is again, I think it's a reaccumulation, not a redistribution. We need one more dump, and I need to see reaction from that dump, because this can be a reaccumulation. Let's keep an eye on it. I want to see the reaction from here. This is for long. Ew. Hot. I don't know what's that. Not looking good on daily though. This is looking good. I have so many equal lows. Daily fair value gap here. Already played. Monday high already played. I think we are a little bit too late on the... Man, this was a nice short, even though I wouldn't like to short altcoins. What I'm expecting now is 0.5 retracement to GAN level. Ah, it was retested perfectly. Look at GAN, guys. Read this book if you didn't, if you are into scalping and advanced trading. It's absolutely insane. I like the ETX here. I like it. Have we retested 0.5? It's right at 0.5. Market structure shift was invalidated. Not this one. It's intact. You see clear retest here of 0.5. Let's see. This is what I'm speaking about when I say fair value gap with breaker. This is a classic S&P setup, which I'm using a lot. It's working sometimes on crypto too, but I'm not using it on crypto because you can't really base your setup on crypto like that. Yeah, same Paul. I'm still looking for longs on altcoins, especially. I'm not looking for shorts on altcoins. You can easily get fucked on altcoins with a week to the upside. They are still hungry for higher and higher. If you look at daily, even if you want to, I don't know. Even if you can't see that clear, guys, just get this crappy indicator and it will tell you based on EMA what is the trend. And just follow the trend. This is based on EMAs. You can use TAG for that, the same stuff. Come on, it's working? It's not working? Ah, there you go. I don't want these squiggly lines. Leave me alone. Ah, okay. There you go. So you see? Just keep it simple. Everything is bullish. Oh, wow. Storage. Nice. Breaking out the range. You can see 4-hour, 12-hour daily. Bullish. Same with flow. I think it will be bullish. So no reason to short this one. Man, I closed this one too early. I think I closed here. It was overnight though. Yeah, I think on this first 10 altcoins, the play is 15 minutes TAG. I don't think you can play Not at 4 hour. 4 hour, if you want to play, you want to go with stinky bids. That's how you want to play. Use a 200 EMA for confluence, and then you go for structure. Atom, 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 atom. Internal range on atom. 4 hour internal liquidity range. Clear one. What do you want to know about atom? Equal highs. So we have a draw of liquidity. We have a take profit target. If you want to play low time frame, try to set the time frame if you it's a little bit better. Nice SNR here. And here. So I would take a long on this one. Is this equal lows? Let me check. Yeah. So it depends on what time frame you want. You want this one because you see 4 hour trend, bullish, bullish, bullish. Everything is bullish. 1 hour, I said it's eternal liquidity range, so you wouldn't go with TAG 1 hour. 15 minutes, you see, not that good on Atom right now. Being an eternal liquidity range, what is happening? They are just building liquidity, like the name says, and you can see um, this specific internal liquidity range. It's a accumulation Wyckoff. It's not a distribution Wyckoff, because if you put it, you can see spring reaction, and I expect this one to pump, to explode to the upside. So what is usually happening in a conference with a fib? I don't know. I would like these lows to be swept again. I would take something like this. I would like these lows to be swept again. I would put an 80-86 stop loss and then take profit all the way up, or even higher trail. Because if this internal liquidity range is broken, you saw on storage what's happening. Yeah, when internal liquidity range is broken, boom. But this is what you want. You see, this was a really nice accumulation Wyckoff. Retest and boom, liquidity swept. This is what I want to see on Atom too. So put some stinky bits here, this equal lows. If you want to risk higher, then put your stop loss. Don't be stupid like I am sometimes and put stop loss like this, put it low, and that's it. Not stupid, but greedy goblin. Gold. What do you want with this one? THG. Yeah, it needs to retest this 0.5. Yeah, not retested yet. So there is a very high probability it will retest that that 0.5. I would go with a 15 minutes TAG, or if you are fast enough. Couture, okay. You are fast enough. You can use 5 minutes. But I would go for a 9 on 15. I don't know. You shorted Sol? Let's see. What time frame? Oh, TAG on this one is looking really good for a short. 15 minutes. Short only. Let's see. Why? See daily. area of resistance and support. Yeah, we are right at it. Okay. Then it's this one, this one. Okay, until then, let's see what do we have here. Nothing bearish. You have a draw of liquidity. You have equal lows here as a target. I have an alarm around here. I want to long this area. 12 hours, you have a fair value gap here, which is bullish. So be careful with that one. It's a range. It's a reaccumulation range here. Clear one. Clear one. What do we need here? Maybe you guys already see if you followed all the charts that I mentioned. You want the rate of liquidity, reclaim, and higher. So this is what I'm looking for here. But if you manage to short, I don't know, even this 4-hour fair value gap around here, or this M, which structure-wise it's a little bit retarded because it made a higher high regarding the structure, and I care a lot about candle close, like a lot, and I base my setups a lot on candle body closing. But yeah, it can be. Really nice setup here. This is a unicorn setup from traditional markets. I'm taking it on S&P a lot of times. Hit me up with questions, guys. I don't know if scalping it's that good right now. I think Bitcoin is going for, I don't know what it's going for, but Monday low it's quite far away. It's quite far away. 4 hours, 12 hours. I think we can sweep liquidity from the 12-hour FEG and then reclaim back in the range. So I think we'll have a internal liquidity range here. When moon. Well, my thanks to someone from this community, I think I was the only motherfucker 1 year ago or in November. When was that? I was buying like crazy, like crazy. I was buying. Frankly, I didn't bought anything around here, but in this area, I bought most of my bags, 16K, 18K. Now I'm just enjoying my spot is portfolio. It's crazy. It's morning. I made more than 80%, 90% profits already on spot. I didn't believe that it would go that nice. But I think we are already moving since that period. So if this would be internal liquidity range, come on. We have a PCZ here, I think. Yeah. I can see this. What the hell am I doing? I can see this happening here. Boom, 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 and something like this. I really don't know when moon will occur. It's my first bull market and my first bear market. And I'm an ape. I started with AMC and GME with those fucking two projects. I can blame them. I didn't lose too much because I didn't have too much. But what's the experience? I managed to make 10x on AMC, meaning that 10x in the opposite direction. I invested like $200 and I made 20. That's that's how I started. Oh man, that was funny. That was funny. I think for altcoins we should wait a bit, guys. Um, because if this is a reclaim, this motherfucker can pump like crazy from here. As I repeated in the morning, dominance is not the type of shitcoin that SFUs and goes down. I barely saw any SFU on dominance, but what it does, it just reclaims like crazy. If you see a W, man, yeah, there you go. Reclaim higher, or M and down, or W and up. We'll see. But if we'll have a range, I think we'll make money. We love trading the range on our community. I can see already some kind of support here. So Christian TRB, you can combine with an LJ, 1 hour, 15 minutes, not 5 minutes. You can combine with an LJ, wait for that sweep of liquidity, wait for a nice structure on the other side of the trend line, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, something like this, and then boom, boom. That would be nice. Toko, I know who asked me about Toko, but it was a nice project. We shall live and we shall see. uh, I'm not a big fan. So right now I made my bags on dinosaur coins. Dinosaur coins, what I mean? I mean AVAX, Sol, Near, Atom, these classic coins. I know. I need to look. But that's my Binance. So Binance is made up of these dinosaur coins. Like render is not a dinosaur one, but I have shit tons of render. I don't have sushi, algo, lit, phantom, etc. So I'm quite done with these ones. I'm not investing anymore in these dinosaur coins. I bought really good levels on them, on most of them. I bought Solana at $10, and I bought quite a lot. I managed to sell half on a double. Same near in Phantom. I know I bought Phantom quite a lot. I moved it to the ledger. I managed to get this pump, to get this rally. I bought at around $2. So I'm done. I'm focusing on new projects right now, like uh, low cap, new projects. I don't know, like we specified earlier, Chang, Rio, Beam, Atom, Kujira, Onomi, stuff like that. Crest, Boson. This is just some coins that I have. Um, Route and stuff like that. I want to focus on this kind of coins right now because I'm done with dinosaur coins. I'm done with these ones. I accumulated enough, in my opinion, and right now I really want to focus on This kind of coins, like new ones, Kuji, USDT. Yeah, like this kind of, yeah, exactly. I'm patient too. So I'm here for the long run, trading and scalping, swing trading, investing. I'm here for the long run. I'm not leaving this field too early. And I absolutely love doing this. Yeah, not a dino like I don't know, was one dino coin with E. Man, I can't remember it. That's from 2016 or 2015, something like that. I can't. What ends ends it was? Ah, ENG engine. That's old. Am I? Yeah, ENG. But I don't think this is the whole chart. Yeah, I bet that these coins will run too, but I'm done with them because I have more than 300 shitcoins on Binance. I bought and I accumulated a lot. Now I want to focus on the new ones, like I don't know, like Tia, for example. Yeah, Tia, um, and everything. I mean, Carol and guys, they are doing an insane job on Discord, um, getting early in the new coins. I'm doing what Julian is posting, Vamp, man. Julian is the king of KuCoin. I started my KuCoin account just because of him, and he is just double after double after double. He's doubling the shit out of the shit coins. I don't know. Can I show one chat from Julian Paul? I think it's okay. Julian is posting like massive. You have to keep up the, the face with him. But those shit coins, I don't know. At the beginning, I was pretty. Maybe I will buy something like this. He's posting, and only daily, 4 hour, 12 hour stuff like that. And man, he's he's raping KuCoin's ass. I made so many free coins with his strategy. I absolutely love the work that he's doing. So hats down, Julian. Hats down. It's a blast on what he's doing. It's an absolute blast. Yeah, I think I need to. Yeah, let me change it from OBS. Yeah, there you go, guys. So this is Julian posting. It's absolutely crazy what he's doing. So shot after shot after shot, it's lovely. It's absolutely lovely. Yeah, we are posting a lot of ideas. Me, Paul, Kevin, Carol, Adi. But what he's doing is spot. So you can say, oh, I can do that. I can do. Yeah, you can do maybe scalping and what others are doing. But man, if you want some free shit coins for your bull run, then follow Julian. I started following him since 1 year, and it's absolutely insane what he's doing. Absolutely insane. And he's doing only this. That's what I admire. He has a plan. He's consistent, like freaking consistent. More than 1 year posting daily, weekly, this kind of charts. So yeah, you don't want to fade that kind of stuff. Exactly. He's bagging doubles like popcorn. It's insane. That's how I started my KuCoin account. I was KuCoin to open an account there. But then I saw the first trade, I saw the second one, I saw the third one, and it was banking doubles. And I was like, what the fuck? I really need to get in and I really need to get in and take those those doubles. Yeah. So that's my focus on shit coins, low caps, and stuff like that. Double free coins, and that's it. I don't know if it's a coin in this list which I don't have. I have absolutely everything. Some of them like fat, like others bigger amounts, some of them lower amounts. I'm prepared for the bull market on the spot. I would like to buy more, but right now I'm not buying Solana or AVAX. Maybe if they go back to $5 or $10, I will buy more. But I'll focus on the new coins right now and low caps like Cattle is banging with Kuchor and Bocian. Yeah, exactly. +1. I'm focusing on those ones. I'm not nibbling too much. I just use low risk and keeping bags for the bull market. I think it's about the time to bang the DeFi channel. I mean, the activity now should be there, and I see lots of activity. Hands down, guys. I mean, now that's the time to spam spam the DeFi channel. If I would have had like millions for investment part, definitely I wouldn't get my head too much in the shitcoins part, and maybe I would stay safe with Ethereum and Bitcoin. But I made a plan. I'll stick with the plan, and I'll go shitcoin retard mode only. I think in the end, what makes you profitable is the plan. Like Julian is doing, he's doing only KuCoin, and he's banging doubles and free coins each and every day. That's how you can be profitable with buying just Bitcoin or buying just shit coins like I'm doing, and doing one shot and keeping them for the bull market. It's up to everyone, but you definitely need a plan. And the plan doesn't necessarily require a specific amount. Like, don't say that, okay, I bought Solana at $10 and I will sell at 263. What if it goes to, I don't know, 2000? Or, yeah, I just say a number. But you have to be, I don't know, what I'll do. One of the things that I'll do, I'll sell on batches. I won't sell everything at all. Like I'm doing the, like someone is doing the DCA, you can sell 20%, then 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, and then you can DCA your average of selling price higher and higher. That's what I think it's a good plan. And definitely, um, I don't know how many have been around when P cycle bottom indicator was ching 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 around here. Let me. What's the name of it, Paul? P cycle low, P cycle high. Yeah, definitely, Carol. But the banger should be on quick ones like um, if you manage to get in a good project and like IPA, IPO, or DeFi, STG. Yeah, STG is looking good. Let's fine. Maybe we get more history. KuCoin. Yeah, there you go. Crystal Globe. There you go. Yeah, thanks, Paul. Definitely, it's looking good. It's looking exactly like Peer and Link were looking before the rally. I think it requires more consolidation here. Maybe something like this. And then boom. I think it's not done yet. But this is what you want to see. And when you see a breakout from a big fat weekly W, man, that's it. Like on Peer, one of my hugest and biggest bag, it's Peer. I mean, if you go on monthly, holy moly, this is a W. If you go on weekly, if you go on daily, well, that's a big fat ass W. I'm done with this one. I'm not investing anymore. I have shit tons of it. I bought at around $2, $2, $3 here, range lows. I sold just to get my money back, and I'm okay. Like Link, I think everyone from this group should have bought Link. I said here, buy the shit out of this one. I bought Link at $5, lots of Link, and now you can see it's at 15. Free ride this one. So this is what you want to buy, and if you know some TA, like some, I don't know, keep it on weekly, daily, and so know some principles about power of three, about manipulation, consolidation, and then expansion. Know this kind of stuff. STG have 808. Let's see. I don't know if you're gonna make it. Buy Deus and migrate to Sim. Yeah, I saw a lot of people are shilling Sim lately, which is good for the project, I think. Ah, there you go. Ah, no, this was a nice call. I started buying the shit out of the market in this area. For altcoins, it was a little bit too early, I have to confess. For the altcoins, what I observed, the second half of this W, to put it like that, of this period was the best to buy. The second half was the best to buy here on altcoins. And I think on the sell side, the first half is the best for selling. Or again, I need to watch, but I put that in my journal. I saw that the second half of this torture of dollars, the second half was way better. I mean, the altcoins were just dipping and dipping on this part, while Bitcoin was ranging and going higher. Exactly. Patience is what pays off, and the plan. Because I think, I don't know, but from what I'm trying to listen, and I made my plan based on people that have been in the bull market. If you don't have a plan, you're fucked because you see so many profits, and most likely you will give them back. You see tons of people speaking about the fact that, oh, I made, I don't know, 1 million and then I gave it back and I went back to 100K or stuff like that, which is not bad. It's profit, but yeah, I'm not bullish enough on Sim. Ah, Carol, what are you doing to me? The torture of doubles. Yeah, yeah, so it can easily go to 600 or $400. I'm okay with that. But as I said, I'm done with buying big caps like top 100. I'm focusing on the ones that are not top 100 and stuff like that. I got uh, not way too much, but I have more than enough of This not dinosaur coins, but last bull market coins. I have way more than enough. Carol, you're making me FOMO in sim. Yeah, that's what I was saying, Ciprian. It was really interesting here. Um, November, what is so June 2023. Exactly, this period. It was really interesting. So that's one thing that I put in my journal because when P cycle bottom started on Bitcoin, yeah, it nailed it, man. It absolutely nailed it with 200 for with 2K for 3K. It absolutely nailed it. I know I longed this SFU. It was really funny. If I would have held it, but I'm a scalper. Uh, but what was interesting is that on this part, the altcoins were still bleeding, and the altcoins only catch up like around here, around June, July, September. Like this part, they catch up. Was really interesting. So maybe I will try to see if P cycle top it's specified when P cycle top it's in on Bitcoin. How much time before P cycle? We can watch actually on Solana. So this is April 2021. What? No way. 12th of April 2021. 12th of April 2021. Well, fuck me. So it's way later. It's exactly the same pattern. I mean, it's logical because the money they are pouring from Bitcoin to uh, Apple really, it's the time to pay attention to what our DJs are doing. Yeah. Uh, so it's actually logic because you see, Bitcoin made a all-time high here, and then the money were pouring from Bitcoin into altcoins. So you can see it took actually from April to November, more than 200 days. Let's see, near. So 12 April 2021, April 2021, same shit. So yeah, so it's the same pattern. When P cycle says stop, it's actually the time to hold or transform your Bitcoin. I think that's what most of the people are doing. They are selling the Bitcoin for altcoins, and then 10 months of rally in altcoins, and that's it. Interesting pattern. Carol, you're making me buy it right now. It's like you're working for Sim. Joking, but I know that you are shilling damn good projects. So that's interesting pattern to have in mind regarding the P cycle top and P cycle bottom. That altcoins will be having the rally like 5 to 10 months after the P cycle top has been in. Yeah, or you can do that. Sell part at P cycle top. Definitely, it's a good idea because you're catching a big ass move. Your portfolio is already maybe 5x or 8x or 10x. Don't want to be greedy goblin. I think it was listed on And he said a little bit higher. I have a short time memory loss. Arbitrum. So I think you can go on Arb and buy SIM right now. And you are selling the 20%, you are keeping them like free bags, because I know you kept some free bags from the previous bull markets. Let's see some shit coins that I have on KuCoin. I think Metis I bought because of Carol some while ago. Let's see. Yeah, not looking bad. OGV, what's this one? Ooh, okay, that's why it's one of the biggest bags, because it pumped a lot. Not Phantom. I said Fury. There we go. Man, this one nuked. Really nice accumulation. I managed to buy exactly around this area on clear pool. We have a shot on SSB. Yeah. Ethereum 1 minute. See the trade. Degen mode. Not 1 hour. 1 minute. Oh, there you go. I'd have to risk it all the way down, but I mean it's 1 minute. But it's reclaiming or it's doing an SFU here? Can do an SFU. Yeah, if we get a retest on this beautiful W, yeah. This is Deus. Yeah, seems like Carol was early. Yeah, I know. Yo, what the fuck is this? We can have a nice W here on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, after Monday low sweep. And we have a lot of liquidity, lots of draw of liquidity here, equal highs. But we need a clear breakout. Now just SFUs, 2 more minutes until close? Okay. I will be more active on your Degen portfolio, Carol, I promise. Noodle strudel. Was looking at PJ's list with strudels. You took the W already? Or you took the breakout? Yeah. You took already this W, I think. Yeah, even with 0.25, you can have a 1% profit win. Nice. Reclaim the level. Let's see where the daily open is. Daily open is higher. Okay. Most likely we'll have some resistance at daily open. 6R until then, not bad. Hit me up with questions, guys. I don't have any more coffee. Not too many things to do. If not, we'll have to call it a meet. We have a 15 minutes FVG here. Looking good for a short. Even this one. BPR here. Yeah, you catch it really nice, the Pokemon ball. If no one has any more questions, guys, I'll have to call it a meet. Regarding the setups, not too many. Bitcoin definitely you can't play Monday range setup right now. You can look at some altcoins and maybe you can find some internal liquidity range plays. Like Storage already did here. You can see really nice. You can find the same stuff like a reaccumulation pattern. Wait for a sweep of liquidity and the price will most likely pump. Altcoins, don't try to short them. Try to put some stinky bids. I think that's the play right now with them. There you go, Lena, looking good here. Looking really good here. I think it's going easily higher. Maybe a 5 minutes TAG on this one, or 15. There we go, 15 started. Scrap the liquidity, market structure shift. I wouldn't go on 5 minutes though. What are you trying to write, Alex? I don't think that's a coin, but maybe it's a coin. If you are shorting, try to be aggressive. Move the stop loss at break even, or take some partial take profits to ensure the fact that you are risk free. But I can see more upward movement from altcoins in this moment. Also, try to keep an eye on this bitchy Bitcoin dominance. If we close a 4-hour candle above this level, I think it will go way higher. If we close something like this, and it can either have a deviation and go back in the range, or if you see a W on this one, then God help the altcoins. I repeat, when you see a W on dominance, it's not a fake out. I have to admit that I don't like that week on a lot of altcoins. This is interesting. This is interesting. Stinky bid. But try to focus on the strong coins. It can work. Meme. Yeah, perpetual. Why would you short this? Yeah, maybe. Let's see. 4-hour SFU. Retesting the 0.5 GAN of this week. 1 hour. You can put an order here if you want to short, but I wouldn't short it. This can easily do this. You don't have a market structure shift. Nothing is bearish. You see, it didn't broke the structure to the downside. Don't have confirmation, so you are blindly shorting. Short thing, short one. Okay. Up move. I don't know. You can wait for it here for a retest in this area. Actually, here. If you get a retest. Yes, definitely. But it already took profit, so my draw of liquidity is already taken. I wouldn't have a TP for this one. I would have to trail with it's the first time it's 1 minute. You would have to play with THG for taking profits on meme, because your draw of liquidity is already taken. A really beautiful accumulation Wyckoff, but it's done. Nice reclaim on Ethereum. This is ready for send mode. If it reclaims the EMA2, then way higher. Keep it simple. Don't try to short idle coins right now. Try to put some stinky bids if you are playing 4 hours or 1 hour. And have 3, 4 or 2, 3 trades in the market. Like ape here, for example. I would try to have if we are taking this example, 4 hours, big ass fair value gap, let's see 0.5 gian of this. Okay, okay. Mm. The volume peaks around here. So this would be an ideal long on if it's not taking the highs. So if it's taking already the highs, then I'm not interested anymore. I want to see the highs left equal highs here. Something like this I would take. Ah, IMX, not ape. What the fuck I was looking at? Ah, ape is the other one. Okay. IMX, sorry. Let's put this one here. SDG looking good. Round bottom. So you see round bottom is good even in crypto, guys. Look, search for the round bottoms. Such a bad joke. This joke should be only for Carol. He's not married. Again, round bottom. This is reaccumulation. Spell. Yeah, we can easily see one more leg to the upside from most of the altcoins, but we have to keep an eye on what this one is doing. We already see a W and the expansion movement. Let's see if it reclaims or not. I don't know if anyone is trading S&P. I'm trading S&P. I'm having a lot of fun. Range. Boring range for the moment. Okay. If there are no more questions, I'll call it a meet and we'll see in the New York session. If you want to join a trade with us, you can find us on Discord. We are keeping these meetings daily at London and New York. We are searching for trades 1 hour, 4 hours, 5 minutes, degen 1 minute. That's more for the scalpers. We try to keep that a little bit more secure because one can break the account if he's inserting the wrong position size and he goes on 1 minute. First thing, he will pay big fees. He will make not CZ because there's no more CZ. He will pay big fees and he can break the account on 1 minute. So we have that on the VIP part. We are scalping a lot right there. But I mean, it doesn't mean you can be profitable on 1 hour and 4 hours. Actually, you can be really, really profitable if you keep your chart on 1 hour and 4 hour and you aim for those confluences that can give you a nice entry. And you can see a lot of times it's happening those really quick dumps and reclaims. So look for those potential stinky bits on altcoins. That would be it for my part. Thank you very much for watching, guys. It was really nice, and we ranted about a lot of altcoins today. Keep it simple, and we'll see you in the next